Hello, if you are wondering if you can use a memory card on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, then the answer is yes. And all you need to do in order to be able to insert the microSD card is pretty much take a look at the top of the tablet. At the top on the right side over here, you should be able to find the SIM tray or memory card tray. This depends on the version of your Galaxy Tab. And what you need to do is use the pin that is of course included inside the box. And this is the pin tool that allows you to open the SIM tray or memory card tray. Put the pin inside the hole on the right side, push it in just slightly so that the tray comes out just a little bit, and then use your fingers in order to fully take it out. And there we go. Now let me quickly show you how the tray looks like. In my case, I have the version with the memory card only. So this is the Wi-Fi version, and I can only use microSD card. And if you have the version that also includes SIM cards, then it should probably look pretty similar, and you should be able to use the SIM card. The SIM card, yes, the SIM card and memory card together. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.